Signal boosters, cash worth over 200,000 pesos, sachets of suspected shabu, rolls of marijuana, and reams of cigarettes. These are confiscated inside what PNP Chief Ronald De La Rosa calls Command Center of Illegal Drugs Operations in the country, the New Bilibid Prison. It's the first day of the PNP Special Action Force troopers to man Bilibid. They inspect Building 14 of the maximum security compound, where high-profile convicted drug lords are detained. Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre says a signal booster was found inside the hut of Peter Ko. One of the drug lords President Duterte has identified as part of the drug triad.
Balita ko, porque nalaman nila nung isang araw pa na nagpre-prepare ng staff, nailipat na nila sa ibang selda yung talagang iniingatan. Tingnan mo kahit sa cellphone, wala.
Harapin mo dito! Harap dito! Harap dito! Harap dito! Look at me! Dito! You look at me!
During the visit, De La Rosa and Aguirre summoned the three convicted drug lords, Ko, JB Sebastian, and Herbert Colanco. The PNP chief has earlier said some drug lords inside the Bilibid have raised millions of pesos as bounty on his and President Duterte's head. Aguirre also reveals convicted drug lords at the NBP shelled out 100 million pesos to bribe him and 50 million pesos to have him killed. Both De La Rosa and Aguirre refuse to name who among those convicted drug lords are behind the assassination plots.
Kahit nadalhan mo kami ng isang buong bilibid na pera, pag ikay lumaban sa akin, papatayin pa rin kitang drug lord ka.
With SAF troopers manning the NBP, De La Rosa says their priority is to prevent communications equipment from entering the jail.
Kung hindi kayo mahuli ng inyong mga supervisor, ng inyong mga commander na kayo'y tumatanggap, na kayo'y nagpapabribe, huling-huli kayo ni Lord.
To avoid undue familiarity with officers and inmates, Marine officers may replace SAF troopers after 1 to 3 months. George Kailes, CNN Philippines.
Justice Secretary